What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is November 10th. It is Friday. Um, Technically Veterans Day tomorrow, but happy Veterans Day. This is what the market looked like when I opened up Ninja Trader this morning. Yeah, this is what the market looked like when I opened up Ninja Trader this morning. You can see a lot of congestion, mixed trading over the past couple of days, and then yeah, just a lot of wishy-washy kind of stuff going on here. Not really knowing where it's going. Overall, we actually on the daily chart, he hit down, but hit a key point on the daily chart, and now we're turning down. And then when the market opened today, we're currently going up. But yeah, this is where the market opened around 8 o'clock. You can see now kind of started into like this uptrend kind of fashion. And yeah, it's kind of where it started today. Today I was able to make a trade. I was able to get in there, and I liked a setup that I saw, and I took it. So it looked like it was going to be maybe an uptrend. I thought maybe we have a spike in the channel, right? But that wasn't the case. It quickly turned into a trading range, and I saw key points, and then I saw a nice, to me, was a high probability setup that was gonna work out, and it ended up and it ended up actually being a nice trade. Yeah, it was pretty good. Solid trade. Got me my scalp, and then we're just a trade away from making the PA count again. So right there, just gonna stick with it, stay patient, and not rushing trades. Just wait for the setups, because they'll happen. And yeah, but in the meantime, this is what the market looked like. This is what it was doing. As you can see, it kind of went into, I thought maybe we had a wider channel starting to happen, like a spike, and then maybe end up into a wider channel, but I quickly realized that wasn't the case as it went down and broke through that line, so I ended up removing this channel down. But you can see where I drew the blue line. That's some key point of resistance right there, and so that's what I was going off, because we just randomly hit that point of resistance, and you can see two levels, so there's two little double test right there. And then the trade I actually took was a bounce, so technically a triple test off the key line of resistance, and it went up into the trading range. So that's where I got today, was a wider trading range type structure for the morning time. Yeah, because from here it kind of just fizzled out a little bit, then slowly traded down. I mean, I have it on 900% zoom, and you can see just where exactly this is going. It's going pretty slow. There wasn't really many setups to take this early. I don't think, at least there was. There was this failed breakout right here that I maybe you could have taken, because it had a little bit of congestion and then spiked back up. I thought about taking that right there. Didn't do it. Didn't like it. Too iffy for me, and I didn't want to risk a lot for it. So I just left it alone. But you can see it started working down towards that our key point. So this is what I was waiting for, just to see where it goes, or where it's going. And then after 8:30 hit, 9 o'clock came around right here. You can see some volatility, spike down. At first I thought I was confirming my trend line. I'm like, oh, okay, maybe I was right with this wider channel, but I soon realized that wasn't the case either. And it quickly broke through that trend line that I had. And I was trying to readjust, maybe look for something going down now. I don't know. But I just left it alone too. And then I realized, you know what? Just keep it simple. It looks like a bigger trading range, and that's what I'm going to work off of. So then I had the bigger range, right? Was using the blue line as that support line, and then I was just using the top as the top of the trading range. Then I realized it might be just a smaller range too. So there was actually a couple of reasons why I ended up taking the trade I did, because it was confirming, one, the bigger portion of the range, and then two, it was confirming my smaller range that I have. You'll see right here, which is technically was a failed breakout as well. So it was a failed breakout, triple test off this line, and then, I think it was second entry long. I don't even know. But to me, this was one of the best trades I've seen all week, honestly. Even it's the only trade I've seen all week. Besides the ones yesterday, I think it was yesterday, where it was a nice second entry short. Besides those trades, this is probably the best one I've seen for myself, at least, that I take in the morning. But you can see where I was looking at. We had this congestion right here, and then it breaks lower from this congestion, right? I was just getting ready, breaks lower right there. I didn't enter just yet. I don't think did I? Maybe I didn't. Oh yeah, you can see it hit right there you go. It hit the bottom perfectly, and then I entered because I gave a nice, decent, bullish signal bar, and I'm like, you know what? I'm entering. Quickly filled my order, and then I moved my runner to the top, but I pulled out at 3 points, which I thought was a decent runner for me, because I didn't expect it to go back up, and it literally where my that trading range is where it kind of stopped, and yeah, I just took the profit and got out of there, and it was nice trade, good way to end to it, because this is during the time where I was almost about to get off and just call it, and I just waited and held in there, and yeah. It did well, and it's good. It kind of held around here for a while before it went up to 3 points, but I mean, I'll take that. I'll take the 4 tick, 9 contracts, and then the 1 contract for three points. I will take that all day, and now we're just one step closer to getting our PA counter back. So, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing because it's obviously working for me. I really don't care what other people are doing. I don't care what other people think either, really. I'm going to go what I do. I'm going to do what I've been doing because it's been working, but I'm always welcome to criticism and advice. It's always welcome, so please, comment. I get some comments, and I like reading them so I can better myself. But, yeah, that was pretty much it for this trade. But after this, it did end up breaking through this resistance line and just shot all the way down, actually pretty quickly. And from there, it just pretty much went down for the rest of the day, and that was about it, guys. But, other than that, I didn't make any other trades, so I'm going to wrap it up here for the day. You can see my nice trade for the day. Let me know if you took it. But, hey, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And like I just said earlier, I do enjoy seeing all the comments because I like seeing the advice and see what other people take. And please let me know what trades you took too. I'm more than happy to look and see, go back to my charts. It's helps me learn to see what other people are doing. So, yeah. So I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope everybody has a good day trading, and if you didn't, hey, there's always next week. There's always another day to trade, and it's just a part of trading. You're gonna lose some, but yeah. Everyone has a good day and a good weekend, and I'll see everybody in the next video on Monday. Peace.